In this demo, we'll showcase how to log into Business Process Incubator Cloud App Selector. There are many different ways to log into the Business Process Incubator Cloud App Selector. You can log in using Business Process Incubator account, a social media account or an account from the partner displaying the Cloud App Selector. If you already have one of these accounts, you can log in by simply clicking the appropriate icon button, or link of your choice in the third-party provider zone, and follow the instructions from there. If you do not have a Business Process Incubator account and wish to obtain one for free, simply click the Register for Free button and follow the instructions from there. When you use the Cloud Apps Selector from a partner site, a link to login will appear. Simply click it and follow the instructions from there. When you have a Business Process Incubator account, you can enter your email address and your password in the appropriate fields. You may also select the Keep Me Logged In checkbox so you don't have to log in every time. When you are ready, simply click the Login button. Once you are logged in, this section will display your username. If you are a basic member, the number of remaining transactions is displayed in the star. If you are a premium member, the star will be empty, indicating that you have unlimited remaining transactions. You can click the My Previous Orders link to access the transactions you previously made. Business Process Incubator Cloud App supports multiple sources of login, including the major social media sites. BusinessProcessIncubator.com, where BPM comes to life.